Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a population pyramid for your health service planning purposes in Excel. So first thing I'll need to do is I'll need to open a browser and I'll need to go to the ABS to retrieve my data. I am going to look at census data, so click on Census, Data Analysis, Community Profiles, and today I'm going to look at 2006 overlaid over 2011, and I'm going to take the Liverpool local government area. So I'll type in Liverpool into the box. I will use 2006 in the drop down. I'll scroll down till see Liverpool LGA, local government area. Click go. It shows me the Liverpool area on the map. I'll click on basic community profile and it will bring that data down. Open it up and I'll just look at the tables to see that I have the right data. 2006 census, Liverpool LGA. I'll go to my list. I want to select the first one in the list, the selected person's characteristics by sex, table B01, and I want to copy the age ranges and the numbers of males and females. Once I've done that, I will then open a new blank workbook, and in that blank workbook I will paste them into the data set. While they're there, I will put in a couple of headings. I want to know what area it is, so that heading will be there, the ages will be there, the number of people, the gender, and I'll need the year. Okay, so let me take the data for females, the numbers. I'll cut that and put that below. I'll make sure that the gender is noted. The year is noted. You'll see I took this from a 2006 table. And the area was Liverpool. Copy the ages and paste them in. So there's my 2006 data. I'll now go back to my ABS data. I'll click on data analysis one more time. I will take the community profiles, type in Liverpool, find LGA, here it is. Note that I've got 2011 in the drop down, click go. There it is, there's the map again of Liverpool. Click on basic community profile, downloads the data. Open that up, click on it, yes, 2011 data for Liverpool. Go to my list of tables, same table, B01, selected person's characteristics by sex. Copy out the age ranges and the numbers of males and females. Go back to my blank worksheet, paste them in below. I'll cut the numbers. Females, paste them in the number of population. I'll note the gender. Drag that down. Drag that down. I'll note the year I took it from. Drag that down. Copy the ages. Paste them next to the females and still at Liverpool, so I can drag that down there. Right, there we go. That is all of the data I require for this exercise. So now to make the pivot table to use the data for the chart. Okay, so here we go. I have highlighted the top left hand box. I'll go insert pivot table, select as my data automatically, click OK. Done. Now I have my pivot table fields over here on the right. I will take into the area filters. I will take ages into rows. I will take number into values. I will take gender into columns. And I will take year into filters. There we go. We have done. Okay, so I have my pivot table. I have highlighted that one is, this top one here is 2006, and that I have selected the area of Liverpool. However, you will note down the left here that it has put the Excel has put the 5 to 14 year age range in the wrong place. To fix this common problem, simply right click after you've highlighted that single cell, go down to Move and go Move to the beginning, moves it up to the top, highlight it one more time and go Move down to put it in the right place. So I've done that. I'll highlight this whole pivot table, copy it, paste it below. I'll change it to 2011 so I can see that data. There we go. What I need to do now is to make a pivot table. I need to have these values so I can manipulate them to make one go left and one go right in my chart. I'll copy that data. I'll go over here and I'll paste special values. I'll do the same for the 2011 data. Copy them. Paste special values. Once I've done that, I can then create a data set which is positive and negative. So what I've done, copied it over again, titled them, but for the males I'll do a simple formula that says equals negative. I'll highlight the male values and it'll turn it negative for me. I had to do it with values because if I had formulas in there that wouldn't work. I'm going to do that again, copy that set, paste it, delete the males, put in females, noting that they're 2011 values, males 2011 values, that formula of equals negative, highlight the male value, and then drag it down. Good, we are done. Okay, so now I have all of the values I require to make my population pyramid. First thing I'll do is highlight this whole data set here, the 2006. I'll do Insert, find a horizontal bar chart, the top left one, and there you go. There is your population pyramid for Liverpool. You will notice it looks a little bit screwy and the axis is bent. To fix that, just highlight one of the data bars and click on right click, Format Data Series, and you'll see this series overlap function in your dialog box. Click that over to 100% and you'll see that they come into alignment. Put a title in here. Population pyramid for Liverpool 2006-2011. That's all very good. You have a population pyramid. You can see that there is a large number of people in the 5 to 14 years of age. That's great. What we need to do now is to put the 2011 over it to see if we can see some growth. So let's do that. What I will get you to do is highlight the graph, right click, and we want to add some data. So select data, you get a dialog box on the right with the axis values, on the left with the data. We'll click on the add button, we'll select the series name by just up-clicking that little box, females 2011, down, and then we'll get the values in that little upward arrow box, select the females 2011. Click OK, and we're done. We'll add the males now, add, on the box, add the male values, and then we're done. And OK, and OK. Now you see they've changed colours and they look a bit screwy, and you can't really tell the difference between the 2006 and 11 because they are overlaying. So let's fix that. Let's click on one of the values, which is the males 2011, and we'll right click. We'll go to Format Data Series, and what we need to do is look at the fill. So in the first instance, we'll take the fill, we'll go no fill, and then in the borders, we'll just make sure that we have a solid line selected in the border. And that's OK. Then we'll click on the females, no fill, solid line border. Okay. And there we go, we are done. You can see that we have the 2006 data in solid bars, and we have the growth in 2011 data overlaying the top. Interesting pyramid of Liverpool. You can see that there is the growth in the 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 to 74 years age group. Not so much in this younger group, and not so much in the younger age groups under here. Still a small amount. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and this has made it a little bit easier for you to do a population pyramid for the area that you need.